Hello, everyone, and welcome to my corner of the forest. My name is Vinnie the Bear, and I'm so excited you're here for some super fun science. Now, before we get started, remember my most important rule. Always have a grown up like your parents with you to help with these experiments. Safety first makes science the best. Are you ready? Let's go. For our first experiment, we're going to make a fizzy fountain. We need a big bottle of soda and some Mentos candies. What do you think will happen when we drop the Mentos candies into the soda? Let's find out together. You'll want to do this one outside. It gets messy. See that? The soda shoots right up into the air like a fountain of soda. That is because tiny bubbles in the soda all stick to the Mentos candy at once and then rush to get out, pushing all the liquid up with them. Whoa. Next up, let's make some colorful fireworks in a jar. All you need is a tall glass of water, some cooking oil, and your favorite food colors. First, we'll pour a little oil into a separate cup and add a few drops of different colors. Give it a little stir. Now watch what happens when we pour the colorful oil mixture into our glass of water. Look at that. The little color droplets sink through the oil and burst into beautiful streaks in the water, just like fireworks. This happens because oil and water don't mix, and the food coloring is heavier than the oil. So cool. Are you ready for some magic? For this one, we need a plastic bag, some water, and a few sharp pencils. We'll fill the bag with water and seal it up tight. Now, here comes the tricky part. Do you think I can poke these sharp pencils all the way through the bag without any water spilling out? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Look, the pencils are right through the bag, but no leaks. It's not magic, it's science. The special plastic the bag is made of hugs the pencils super tightly, creating a seal so the water can't escape. Isn't that amazing? Okay, this next experiment feels like a superpower. We're going to turn water into ice instantly. Your grown-up will need to help you put a bottle of pure water in the freezer for a little while until it is super cold but not frozen yet. Now for the amazing part. Watch closely as I tap the bottle on the table. Wow. Did you see that? Ice crystals spread all through the water in just a second. It is because the water was so cold it was just waiting for a little bump to tell it to freeze. It's like waking up the ice. For our grand finale, we are going to build and launch our very own rocket. We'll need a plastic bottle, some baking soda, and vinegar. We'll carefully add the vinegar to our bottle. Then your grown-up will help you wrap some baking soda in a small piece of paper towel. When we drop the baking soda packet into the vinegar and quickly put the cork on, get ready for launch. 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. The vinegar and baking soda mix together to create a gas that pushes and pushes until it shoots the rocket right up into the sky. What a blast! That's all the science we have time for today in my corner of the forest. Wasn't that fun? We made fizzy fountains, jar fireworks, and even launched a rocket. Always be curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of science, and remember to do it safely with a grown-up. Thanks for joining me, Vinnie the Bear. See you next time. Bye-bye.